Wheels are fixed, touching the ground. Stay stable. Do not tighten this screw yet. Just hold it and insert it inside. Then screw in the remaining 2 screws. We open up the package. Remove the 2 screws from below. No need to remove the top. Just loosen. After fitting, just twist the handle lightly. No need to tighten. Insert the black end of the intake pipe here into the hole. This fixed up. Insert it on. Top, secure it. 2 below. Static power in. You can plug it in. Turn until it fits inside. Then lock it. There's a ring to lock it securely. This is a drain pipe. If there's water in the pressure, it will drain out. This is for connecting the air blow gun. Connect to next machine. Next, we install the foot pedal. Other end connects to plastic tray, same as the other side, same as the opposite one. Install plastic rod, pull it all the way down, then pull the entire slide to the end. Pull it down then, leave a small gap here, then below, align the plane, tighten the screws, align the plane. Side has another screw, tighten. Then this plastic rod, below it, secure it, just pass through this gap. Install the plastic rod, push the slide in, then this rubber should not touch this. Slide, turn on the machine. Machine returns to origin point. Press debug. Debug has a dial. Turn it once each time. When each rod is within the rubber range, then we thread the rubber band. Narrow or thin ones go below. Wide or thick ones go above. Place the rubber band behind the line block. Keep it close to this side. It won't come out. Thread the rubber band here. These can loosen and open. Press the screen to lower the roller. Thread the band through here. Stick to the inner edge. Press to lower the roller. Got the excess cut off. Block strip, just stick it. Rubber band, just stick it here. Leave some space behind, it's fine. Fix it. Set length, click here to start. We set how many strips, input length, confirm. Highlight the one to print, if all, print. From top, print one by one. Now open the back number. The material will auto-trim and highlighted. Set the length properly. Manual, first step, second step, third step, fourth step. At this point, we start. Align this part correctly. Adjust it. Adjust to touch the rubber band. Loosen the back screw. Adjust for rubber band width. Align with rubber band. Parallel to rubber band. Screw lightly. Off and adjust. Next step. Check rubber band in step 6. Align with base. Parallel, if not aligned, or slightly off, adjust. We can adjust in menu settings. This is menu key. User and camera settings. Next page, Motor position settings. If off, adjust slightly. If too much, cut rubber band. If rubber band forms a V, cut it. Connect from here. Pull from front. That's all. It includes our back. When the thread is used up, when changing thread, do it this way. When it's almost used up, just pull it through. If you thread it, it's very troublesome, right? After all, it's so complex with so many red threads. Our machine head, we need to oil it once or twice daily. Normally, fill to this level. This small oil can is used for adding oil to the red line level. That's all. Every day, use the air gun to clean the threads on top and bottom at least 2 to 3 times a day for cleanliness. Frequent cleaning helps maintain the machine. It's better. Our oil can is for adding oil to the machine head, and it is reusable. Accumulated oil can be poured out and reused again. Now we set the pattern design. For example, the width of the camera band. We measure the width. Then we go to input the first one, which is the width of the camera band. The second one is for printing in the X direction. For example, we set it to 7 or 8, the pattern width. This is the frame count controlling both ends. For example, I want it wider, increase the frame count a bit. Change 4 to 5, it gets wider, right? Change to 3, it gets narrower. Next page, the zigzag evidence is in the middle. This section follows the same logic. Larger input means wider distance. After setting, click confirm, it becomes the current setting. We can note it down. Clear the current setting, for example, we input 18, note it as 18, confirm, and it shows 18. If we want more, we can save more patterns. Input 26. Click here to save, change it to 26. Save it, it shows 26. Click it, it becomes 26. Confirm to print. Here is the main air pressure switch. Press in. The air pressure will turn off. Pull out to turn on air pressure. Very convenient. If the finished product seen, if not centered, adjust left and right length. To control, click directly. Adjust left and right length. Increase or decrease. Adjust the right length similarly. If the left is short, lengthen it. Shorten the right, it centers. If negative, press negative. It shows negative and positive. The plastic tray has a switch, dial switch. 0 is off, 1 is on. Then set the production quantity. Input 10, it means 10 pieces. Input 50, it means 50 pieces. Set it and turn back. Then if there's a thread break, no alarm or false alarm, it senses this. Adjust sensitivity here. User parameters, thread break detection. Next page, detection frame count above 2001. We set 5 frames if false alarm. Sensitivity too high. Increase it. Increase no false alarms. Adjust detection. Add 1 or 2. That's enough. Too much. The 1 alarm when thread breaks or bottom thread runs out. The heating switch can be turned on or off. The heating plate is pressed down. It's on. Then this can be turned on, then set the temperature. Press the leftmost button. Press up to increase temperature. Press down to decrease temperature. Once it is set up, click it again to confirm, and the temperature will increase. If we don't need it, we can turn it off directly. Turn it off, we click open, turntable. Then on the next page, there's an electromagnetic method to turn it off. After turning it off, when we feed the material, the heating plate won't come down. If the camera strap falls to the ground too much, we need to reduce the amount or add more. We click the menu, User and Camera Settings. Press Next page until here, pre-shaping alarm detection, then loosen, motor continues running time, reduce to shorten, add to lengthen,